Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, guess what just happened? I walked outside this morning, just your average overcast day, until I looked down at my garden and bam, my Jubilee watermelon plant finally delivered. Not one, but two baby watermelons. I literally froze and then let out a squeal loud enough to scare the birds and probably the bees. These little green beauties are the size of, I would say, maybe even quarters for right now. They're nestled under big leafy vines like they've been hiding in plain sight, waiting to surprise me. After weeks of watering and checking and whispering sweet plant talk, my hard work is finally paying off. And let me tell you, these aren't just watermelons. They're Jubilee watermelons. So they're going to be sweet, juicy, and the VIPs of my summer fruit. I'm already dreaming of that first slice, cold from the fridge, and maybe a couple of dollars saved. But for now, I'm guarding them like a treasure. Jubilee season has officially begun for me. And over here, before I wrap up, these are my tomatoes. So stay tuned for much more.